It is just an voice recorded audio. If you don't want to listen it, just skip it. Skip it. You are not able to speak English or not good in English, so start doing practicing. You don't know what you have lessons to do, just find it and do practicing. Start speaking, practice. Start shadowing. If you don't want to do shadowing, it's okay. You don't need. If you don't want to do a lot of practice, you're not gonna be good in English. But you want to speak like any actor, any star, any celebrity or any speaker, copy them and start practicing it. Everything you have learned by practicing. You learned walking by practicing. You learned how to brush your teeth by practicing. So don't think it will not help you doing practice. Just do practice. You want to learn anything, do practice. You know the quote, what is it? Practice makes man perfect. So start practicing. And comment you down below and let others know what you do for practicing and how you do, so others can learn from you. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for listening it.